Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up DIRECTV stream on Smart TV. Start by turning on your Smart TV and making sure it is connected to the internet. Use your remote control and press the home button. On some TVs, this may also be called the Smart Hub button. This will take you to your TV's main menu where you can access apps and settings. Now, move through the menu and locate the App Store. Once you are inside the App Store, look for the search icon, usually shown as a magnifying glass. Select the search option and type in DIRECTV stream using the on-screen keyboard. When the app appears in the search results, select it. You will see an option to install or download the app. Click on that option and wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, open it directly from the App Store or return to your home screen and find it in your list of apps. When the app launches, you will be asked to sign in. Enter your DIRECTV stream account user ID or email and password carefully using your remote. In some cases, the app will show a QR code or an activation code on your TV screen. If you see this, you can scan the QR code using your smartphone or go to the website shown on the screen and enter the activation code. This step helps link your TV to your account quickly. Once completed, your account will load and you can start watching your channels and content. Thanks for watching.